Hello, everyone, and welcome. You are with Love Dr. Pamela. Thank you for joining me in this community that you are now becoming a part of, as taking on a chance to transform your life. So, here's what we're doing in this community. The whole thing of what I wanted to do was bring you real solutions and real strategies to finding the mate. I'm going to give you the techniques and give you information that you can master. How do you find a mate? How do you enhance your relationship with the mate? I'm going to give you ideas that's going to help you attract. I'm also going to give you techniques that you can use within the relationship that you presently have. The whole goal in this is to help you understand what it takes to have successful relationships. And there's 6 cornerstones that I talk about that most don't talk about, the key to having successful relationship. It's not just about the love language. It's about understanding the individual that you bring into your life. And that is what I want to bring you. So please make sure you stay a part of this community and this opportunity here to be a member with me, as I will do weekly live talks only for members only. And then I do a workshop that, depending on the level that you're in, if you get to the elite tier, you will be able to come to my workshop for free, where I give you techniques to really hone in onto getting what you want with any mate you desire. Okay? So thank you for being a part of Love Dr. Pamela. We're going to take you to the next level, and we're going to help you entertain, strategize, and get what you need to have successful love. Thank you for being a part.